everybody, welcome to a new class. This is our last week. It's a little sad, but keep working with a lot of enthusiasm. Today we are going to work on page 107. First, let's review the vocabulary. So, look at the pictures and say the words. Okay, these are hands. Hands. These are cars. They are yellow. These are kites. They have different colors. These are jackets. They are blue. These are books. These are suns. They are yellow and shiny. Now cut the pictures so you can play domino. Move on to page 125. We are going to review the vocabulary. I am going to say one of these pictures and you have to point in your book the correct picture. Ready? Where is the firefighter? Where is the firefighter? This is the firefighter. Where is the shark? Shark. This is the shark. Where is the girl? Where is the girl? This is the girl. Where are the pencils? Pencils. These are the pencils. Where is the bedroom? Where is the bedroom? Here is the bedroom. Where is the bicycle? Bicycle. This is the bicycle. Where is the boy? Boy. This is the boy. Where is the jacket? Jacket. Here is the jacket. Where is the doll? Doll. This is the doll. Excellent job. That's all for today. See you next class. Don't forget to send me a picture of your homework and also like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.